So this device is a Tachyon Networks TNA302. It's an interference-free 60 GHz point-to-point and point-to-multipoint device. There's a few really good use applications. So one is CCTV and security, to connect up cameras, for example. Another is connecting buildings for Wi-Fi, and also extending fast internet connection to remote locations. All of it without the need of digging trenches. It's all wirelessly. So now we're going to take a look inside the box to see what we've got. So if you open it up, you've got your quick start guides. You've got the radio itself. So again, this is a TNA302 device. You've also got your PoE injector, so to provide you with the power, along with the power cable. And finally, for connecting the device itself to a pole, you've got a Jubilee clip. So in terms of the benefits of this device, again, it works in the 60 GHz spectrum, so it's virtually interference-free, so it won't suffer from any interference from other Wi-Fi devices. The speeds for wireless are unparalleled. You get similar to fibre speeds of over 2 gigabit per second. Also, in terms of distance, it will go over 1 kilometre. On top of that, in terms of security, it uses AES encryption, so you can guarantee that your data is not going to go anywhere. And also, it's so scalable. You can connect up to 32 stations to one base station in a point-to-multipoint network. And finally, it's so easy to install. It uses auto alignment beamforming, so it couldn't be any easier. In terms of the initial setup, you want to power up the device and connect it to your network. So if you take your Tachyon TNA302, take the casing off the back, plug an Ethernet cable into the PoE in port on the back, and you want to connect the other end to your PoE injector. So if we connect up our PoE injector, connect that into the mains. And then the other end of this Ethernet cable, you can plug it into the PoE port on the back of the PoE injector, which is just there. And then using the other port on the PoE injector, which is the LAN port, plug in another Ethernet cable and connect the other end to your network. So now we're all connected up, we want to log into the device. So first thing is to access the web user interface, which you can do using the default IP address, which is 192.168.11. So once you've logged yourself into the user interface, you can make changes that you want to. So things like setting a unique SSID and passwords, changing the channel widths, and tinkering with your power settings. In terms of the install, it couldn't really be much simpler. Again, with its auto alignment antennas, they just need to be lightly pointed at each other and they'll form a steady connection. So in summary, the reason I'd recommend this product is it's interference free, you get super fast speeds, and it covers long distances.